Sejr here. I got my Flavor of the Month card kit for March 2020. Very excited. I didn't think it was going to be coming soon, mainly because all packages have been seemingly delayed, but it arrived today, and I'm very excited to open this up. So I don't check anything on the website. The only thing I do is I print out the ingredient sheet, but I just did that just before I started this video. And this is the first time opening it up. So there's the inside. You got the tissue covering everything up. And what I will do is I will go collection by collection in no particular order. Okay, so we'll start off with the cardstock. It's looking very nice. You always get the two pieces of 110 Classic Crest Neon cardstock. So this month, what we have is it looks like this would be Groat Gray. Let's start at the top here. Pink, which is Cotton Candy. Spearmint. There's no easy way of doing this, is there? Sorry, I'm just so excited when I get these packages. Grapesicle and whipping cream. So those are the colors we get. Very spring inspired colors again. So I'm very excited what's going to be in store. And just in case I didn't say, this month's collection is a Farmhouse spring. So there you go, spring. I did get two pieces of, I believe, vellum. A little crinkled. That's not a problem. It still works. What happened was it was when I picked up the box, it got stuck, and instead of just taking it out, I pulled it. So that was totally 100% my fault. Okay, so that is the paper. Okay, I'm going to guess this is collection number 3. I'm just gonna, sorry for the noise. Every collection does come with an envelope, and typically they are white. Okay, so let's see what kind of paper we have today. I like the feel of it. It's not that overly shiny paper, so I like that, and I love the pattern. Very muted, very nice colors. Kind of like a pinkish. Here's a gray. Floor with some greenery, some nice flowers, and this is really pretty. I really like that one. It's kind of like it's a minty blue. If you turn that over, you have the same thing but on the wood. More flowers, designs. This one's kind of nice. So there you go. So more busy, more floral designs on this side, and then you can match them with these more subtle colors here. It also comes with a piece of natural twine by Doris. So it's just that little brown. I think we had this one before a couple months ago, or a few months actually. Time goes by really fast. You also get some enamel dots by Gina Marie Designs. And these are kind of like a robin eggs blue. Very nice. Matches this paper very well. You also get a bag of buttons by Buttons Galore. Hold on, you know what? I need to put my glasses on because I can't see. Okay, so we got some nice buttons here. Couple pinks, greens, and a nice big one, and they all match the design. Yeah, they all match the paper very well. And of course, with each collection, there is a stamp set, and this one is called Bloom Wildly by Scrapping for Less. And you have some, you know what, I'll just take it out because it's hard to read with the light on. Oh, well, that doesn't make any better. Anyways, it says, thank you, follow your dreams, live simply, bloom wildly. That's really pretty. I really like this one. It has a little bee and a little trail. That's really cute. And there's some butterflies. Okay, so that is for collection 3 called Bloom Wildly. Okay, so the next one is collection number 4, and this one is called Daisy Gardens. Oops, I got a nice little surprise there. I'll show you in a second. Oh no. Oh. Okay, so it does come with an envelope, as always. With the paper, very interesting. So it's kind of distressed wood grain, and there's even a little heart. It's like a grid of hearts. Very interesting. And all these paper so far are all the same colors. So it's that craft brown and light brown, all following that wood grain. This one's really nice. And then they have this beautiful daisy flower paper, and then back to this color again. It's a little distressed. And if you flip it over, you get some more of the flowers. So it's the brown colors, but mainly it's those daisies you're looking at. Look at that. Lots of flowers. Oh my goodness. That's a really nice piece right there. It's beautiful. So that's the paper. You do get some, oh, look at this. If you saw my video last month, there was these purple enamel dots, and they were this, I don't know what you call them, matte. I would call them matte. They're very, they're not shiny, and they kind of look like they have like a, I don't know, maybe it's matte. Anyways, these ones look almost like the centers of these daisy flowers, or even just pollen in general. It just has that beautiful color and that texture. I don't know what it is. I'm just obsessed with this texture. And I'm so happy to see them again. Oh my goodness, I love that. You also get a bunch of white paper daisies by Therese. And this is what I was laughing about, because I opened it up and they dumped everywhere. They just blew up. Kind of like confetti in a bag. And then it was sticking to the envelope. So that's why I was laughing. But look at these. These are really nice little flowers. They come in different shapes. Some seem to be double layered, but really nice paper daisies. And of course the stamp, which looks like it's some nice sentiments here. If you look, it says plant smiles, grow laughter, and harvest love. And you have some nice flowers and a little watering can pouring out little hearts. So a nice little sentiment pack. I'm not sure, I guess this one actually would be interesting to see if you can actually, and this is kind of a side story. There's some YouTuber follower that you follow who uses peg stamps, and this kind of reminds me of that. Where this one's 3 at once. I could snip it, but it's 3. But she does peg stamps that look very similar to this style. So I'm thinking you could take this and just stamp the whole bottom of a card, for example, just to create a fast flower arrangement, and then you could just color the flowers with markers or whatnot. Especially if you had that no outline ink. It's a little off topic there, but just thinking, processing, what can I do with this stamp? So that is collection number 4, which is called Daisy Gardens. Okay, so the next one is collection number 1. I'm really sorry. If you like these being in order, let me know. I don't look at what's in the kit. I just grab whatever comes first. But if it does help you guys to see it in order, I can try my best to. Otherwise, I just love the surprise. Love it. Love. Okay. So once again, you get your white envelope. And what do we have for paper today? For this collection, I got some pinks with some flowers. Looks like those daisies again. You got some stripes. Nice polka dotted paper. Very subtle. It's not so bright. And then you got some purples, some flowers with some ladybugs and some blue bugs. And this is nice. Nice subtle colors. And of course, if we flip it over, what's that? Oh, it's some bunnies in a field. So it's the same paper, but with some bunnies in it. And there's some more bunnies. And there's the bugs again with the flowers. Some more bunnies. This is nice. This is almost done for you. It's like an actual field of flowers. Really pretty. And then you have the nice purple and some more of those daisies. You also get, oh look! I think someone's sending me these on purpose. I just love them so much. This is the same ones as the other ones, but these are kind of like pink. They're just so beautiful, and they almost look good enough to eat. I just love them. You also get some ephemera designed by Scrapping for Less. And it looks like you get quite a few this time. Last month you got a lot in the princess set. And we have some more. So we have some, let's move some space. We have the bunnies. We have more flower. A little scenery. Some more bunnies here. There's that blue ladybug. A fence of flowers. And then a red ladybug. More not so red ladybug. Some flowers, bunny and another flower. Really nice ephemera. So this is very similar to what they did last month with the princess one, which was a lot of fun to work with. And of course, you get the stamp set, which is Hello Spring by Scrapping for Less. And you get a Hello Spring with a little floral areas, thinking of you, hi, with a fancy little tail, just saying hello, greetings, spring, and spring has sprung. And then we have the little bunny with some designs in there. And that is what you get in collection 1 called Hello Spring. Okay, so once again for collection, this is collection 2 called Farmhouse Floral. And you get an envelope, as always, nice white one. And for the paper in this collection, we have some, looks like monarch butterflies, some circles with little other circles. This is beautiful. Look at that. That is a nice piece of paper. Just such subtle design. I really like that one. So that's the winning one for me. More circles. Really nice design here. It's very similar to the other one with more of a red. And then some more butterflies. And if we flip it around, you get a nice big display of some flowers and a butterfly. Some more flowers, flowers and butterflies, all following the same pattern, or same color. And some more. Those are really nice. So that's the paper you get in collection number 2. You also receive a white organza ribbon by Doris. I'm not sure what organza is, if that actually means this, I'm going to assume. So it's a nice long piece. You can see he just keeps going. So that's nice. It's a nice white color. And I did sneak a peek at this one and I'm just gleaming with joy. Look at that, a third. I'm on a roll here. Now this one is like a stone gray. It kind of looks bluishy green in the camera, but it's a stone gray. I just love these. I don't know. And then you get the stamp set, which is Farmhouse Floral by Scrapping for Less. And you have a banner that you can, maybe you can fit these sentiments in the banner, I'm not sure. But it is Spring Hello and Thinking of You. And then you have 2 little butterflies. And then the big piece here. And I'm not sure if it's all connected or not. Yeah, it is. So you have the wreath, and then inside is a vase of flowers. So that's nice. Okay, so that is for collection number 2, Farmhouse Florals. Okay, so the final piece is the banana split. You don't get this unless you upgrade to the banana split. So everything that I showed you up to this point is part of the double dip, I think that was called, Flavor of the Month card kit. What I'm going to show you now is the banana split, which is the additional. And this is the ones that I like to get because it gives me some new things to play with. And so what we'll start off with is the stamp, and it's just full of all these little butterflies. So that's really nice. And then it comes with a little package. Let me just open that up. So I will start with, you get a little bag of sequins. Oh, sorry, you get 2 little bags of sequins. So we have some nice pale, almost Eastery pearlescent colors here. So the blues, the pinks, the yellows, and whites. Very nice. And then for this one, it's a whole bunch of different sizes, and they're more of kind of like a butterfly. Like you have the browns, I would say it's a butterfly collection almost, like browns, pinks, purples, and the blues. More darker colors, not so pastel. You also get one of these little guys, bead trays. And actually, I'm very excited about this because I see a lot of people use them. And it just makes it look like it's easy to clean up afterwards, because normally I have sequins everywhere. And it takes me a while to, well, not too long, but it takes me a while to clean up. And so this is really nice. It's the small things that seem to really bring joy. So we can do that. And then it comes with a cut, emboss, and stencil die by Doris. So I'm not sure what that means. Cut, yes. Emboss. I'm not sure what's going to emboss. Maybe you can just emboss it. Maybe that's what it means. You can emboss it. And a stencil. Maybe you can, I don't know. But that's just me. I just don't know. But cut, emboss. I understand that part. So it's an arrow. And this is be a lot of fun to figure out what I can do with this little guy. And so this is what you get for the banana split. So that is everything. I'm very excited. I can't wait to start making some cards. This kit is called Farmhouse Spring from March 2020. I am not sure if it's still on sale or for sale. I get it much later when it comes to me, just because I live in Canada. I believe the shipping does take a while. But check it out. Definitely a lot of cool stuff in this kit, and I will have a video coming maybe within a week with some cards, hopefully 5 cards, which seems to be the trend. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you were as excited as I was opening this stuff. I'm just so giddy. And I will catch you all later. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye.